Today we are going to talk about the preparation of salt past paper questions. So first question is the list of substance shown. Okay, brass, calcium, carbon monoxide. You can see the list by yourself. Okay, glucose, hydrogen, magnesium bromide, methyl orange, sodium chloride, stainless steel, and so on and so on. Answer the following question. Okay, about the substance. Each substance may be used once, more than once, or not at all. State which substance is a salt and contain ion with the positive charge of plus one, so that would be sodium chloride because sodium has a charge of NaCl. Okay, I will just one second. Wow. That is NaCl. We can see that Na has a positive one charge. Okay, you have to write sodium chloride. Okay, question number two. The question is about the metal and compounds of metals. Okay, choose the metal chloride that is insoluble in water. So, which are insoluble? Magnesium is group 2, potassium is group 1. That is a transition metal, and that is also group 1. So, transition metal chloride, so they are not soluble in water. Okay, hydrate. Question 3 is about the rusting of iron. So rust is the hydrated iron oxide. Define the term hydrated. Hydrated means that chemically combined with water. Okay, that's a simple term. Okay, combine chemically with water. Okay, they react with water. Okay, salt is not a reaction. Salt is a mixture. Okay, okay. Copper 2 sulfate can be used to test the presence of water. Copper plus 5H2O. That is anhydrous copper sulfate and hydrated copper sulfate. State the meaning of term hydrated. Hydrated means that substance chemically combined with the water. We have already done question number 3. Describe how hydrated copper sulfate is changed to anhydrous copper sulfate by heating. Okay, if we heat, so water will move out, so that is heat. You will get a mark for that. Okay, next question. Zinc chloride is soluble in water. Which other compound is soluble in water? So that would be uh, this is a calcium carbonates are not soluble. Lead transition metal, no. Silver chloride, we have already done this question. Question number 2, that it is not. So sodium nitrate, it is a group 1 nitrate, so they are soluble. So that is a good list of compounds shown. So ammonium nitrate, carbon monoxide, copper 2, ethane, litmus, methane, methyl orange, sodium chloride, sodium sulfate, sulfur dioxide, and so on. Give the name of the substance. Is a salt which has a negative ion with a charge of -2. So sodium sulfate. Why? Because it's a salt, and also sulfate has a -2 charge. Okay, so Na2, that is plus 1, SO4 -2 charge. So that's why for one sulfate atom we need two sodium atoms. Okay, I will remove it. Okay, now next question. Which one of the following salt is soluble in calcium carbonate is not? Okay, barium sulfate is also not. Iron hydroxide iron is not. So ammonium sulfate. That's all about it. If you want to go deep and want to get good grades in OA levels, we have a bunch of good teachers that can help you with that. So if you want, please contact us and also subscribe, share, and like.